Well, hello there. Today we're going to talk about shrimp, and we're going to talk about how you can save some money and actually make something better. All right, what I always say is less is more. So here we have some pre-cut, pre-cooked, pre-breaded shrimp. They're ready to go. All you have to do is throw them in the deep fryer, and actually they're not pre-cooked. Here we have the same size, okay? A 31, actually this is a 3140, this is a 35 shrimp, white. So we're gonna bread those, all right? So I have some seasoned flour. I'm gonna put them in there. Then I'm gonna have the egg wash, which I actually put some little gochujang paste in there to make it a little spicier. I didn't have any beer. This is a beer battered one, but the idea is just to show you the difference. And they're both right now ½ a pound. So we're gonna put them in the milk batter here, and now in some breadcrumbs. And you can take and do that ahead of time as well. So you don't have to do it to order. I'm gonna put them in here. Like sometimes some people like to double bread them, which you can easily do as well, which means you just do it again in the water or in the egg wash here, and again in the breadcrumbs. For our thing here, we're only gonna do it once. And as you can see, the same weight, okay? I have 19 shrimp here for 1/2 pound, and here it's 16 shrimp. So my shrimp actually, the weight of the shrimp itself is a higher count, so they are less. However, when you take the batter off in this one here, your shrimp is actually gonna be a higher count shrimp, which means it's probably about a 45 shrimp, all right? So now we see how easy that is to get them breaded. Now we have the same here. And now what will happen if we deep fry them, and because this is showtime, we did that already before, you can easily see the difference, okay? The difference in plate. Now, if you have less items on your menu, obviously have more time to prepare, and then you can get a better product. And in all reality, you can actually save some money with that. So I hope you enjoyed this segment of shrimp, and go buy from Sysco. Have a great day.